In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off lazy loading in Shopify to improve perceived speed on your store. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. From there, head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin homepage where you manage products, orders, themes, and everything else. We'll be working directly from here. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Online Store and click on it. This is where all of your visual store settings live, including your themes. When you click it, you should see your current live theme at the top and possibly some other themes below it. Next to your live theme, you'll see a button that usually says Customize or Edit Theme. Right beside that, there's an icon with 3 dots, which opens more options. Click on those 3 dots. This reveals a drop-down menu with additional theme actions. From that drop-down, select Edit Code. This will open the theme code editor in a new panel. Don't worry if you're not a developer. We're only going to touch specific pieces related to lazy loading. Still, it's a good idea to be careful and consider duplicating your theme beforehand so you have a backup. Inside the code editor, look at the left-hand side where all your theme files are listed. At the very top of that sidebar, you'll see a search icon. Click on the search icon to open the file search bar. This lets you quickly find pieces of code without scrolling through everything. In the search bar, type the word lazy. Shopify will scan through your theme files and show you all instances where the word lazy appears. These are usually related to lazy loading attributes or snippets the theme uses to delay loading images or sections. Now, go through the results one by one. Click on each file or result that contains lazy to open it in the editor. When the file opens, look for the specific pieces of code that reference lazy loading, such as attributes or classes that clearly indicate lazy behavior. Once you've located those lazy loading code parts, carefully highlight them and remove them. Only delete the lazy related attributes or code segments, not the entire HTML or liquid structure around them. Take your time and double check before you delete. After you've removed all the lazy loading code you want to disable, move to the top right of the editor and click on Save. Wait for the save confirmation. When that's done, visit your storefront in a new tab, refresh the page, and test your site to confirm that lazy loading has been turned off and everything is still displaying correctly.